Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Laxmi Sahu and today in this video I'm going to show you our geography chapter 5 notes, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. So before going to start this chapter, I want to tell you that if you want all the class 9 notes, then please see the description of this video. You will get the link of all the playlists, right? Okay, so if you like my notes, then please do hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel, so that whenever I uploaded the video, so you can get the notification, right? Okay, so just going to start this chapter. So what is the introduction of this video or of this particular chapter? So India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world, with about 47,000 plant species and 50,000 flowering plants and 19,000 species of animals, right? Okay, so a rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine water or salty water. Okay, so I think you know about what is flora and fauna. So the species of plants is called flora, and what is the species of animals is called fauna. So what is natural vegetation? So natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time. This is termed as a virgin vegetation. This is called as a virgin vegetation. Okay, so those which have come from outside India is called as exotic plant. So factors affecting natural vegetation and wildlife. So factors are relief and climate. So in relief there are two parts also: land and soil, and climate, temperature, photo periods, and precipitation. So what is the differences between land and soil? So land is the which has spread throughout our on the earth, and soil is the upper layer of land which has contain the nutrients, right? So this is the difference between land and soils. So land affected natural vegetations directly and indirectly by the fertile level is generally devoted by the agriculture. The nature of the land influence the type of vegetation. Okay, so you can see that there are many types of soil, right? Alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, and many more. So soils are also very far over space, and different types of soil provide basis for different types of vegetation, right? So that's this is influence the vegetations and wildlife. Okay, so what how does temperature influence the climate, sorry, influence our vegetation and wildlife? So the character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation, and soil. So photoperiod means basically sunlight. So due to the larger duration of sunlight, trees grow faster in summer because tree want sunlight for grow, right? And precipitation means heavy rainfall, have more dense vegetation as compared to the areas of less rainfall. Then what is the importance of forest? So forests are very important for us, right? So forests control wind force and temperature, and cause which cause rains, provide humus to the soil, and shelter to the wildlife. Okay, so types of natural vegetations are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, and scrubs, and then mountain forest and mangrove forest. So just see, the forest cover in India is 21.05%. So this is very less percentage, right? So what is tropical evergreen forest? So tropical evergreen forest found in Western Ghats, and they are at their best in the areas having more than 200 centimeter of rainfall in short dry season, right? So maximum height is 60 meter or even above. This forest appears green all the year round. So through this name, that is tropical evergreen, means to say always green, right? So that's it is called as the forest appears green all the year round. So important trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona, right? So animals are elephant, monkey, lemur, and deer, which are found in this tropical evergreen forest. Okay, so tropical deciduous forest and tropical evergreen forest are similar to each other, just only some differences in this to its name. So just most widespread forest of India, they are also called as monsoon forest, right? So it is spread over the region which receive 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter, right, rainfall. Trees of this forest shed their leaves from about 6 to 8 weeks in dry season, and large part of this season has been cleared for cultivation and some for grazing. Common animals which are found in this forest are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. Okay, then the forest is further divided into two types, that is moist deciduous and dry deciduous. So you can say. Then third one is the thorn forest and scrubs. So here is the 70 centimeter, less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, and it is found in northwestern part of the country, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, UP, and Haryana. Trees are in this forest are acacias, palms, euphorbias, and cactus. Right. Then trees are scattered and have long roots. The stems are succulent to conserve water, and leaves are mostly thick and minimized to evaporation. Then common animals which are found in this forest are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, horses, and camels. Then mountain forests are found in the mountain. So to this name, mountain means mountains, right? So found in the mountains, wet temperate forest between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters, which is its height. Then trees are famous trees are oaks and chestnut, right? Okay, so between 1500 to 3000 meter temperate forest containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver, fir, spruce, and cedar are found. So cover mostly in the southern slope. It's around 3600 meter above the sea level. Then common trees are silver fir, junipers, pines, and birches. Nomadic tribes, namely Guzars and Bakarwals, and the grazing their cattle. So these are the nomads which move from one place to another place for their cattle to graze the land, right? So at higher altitude, mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. Then common animals are spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, squirrels, yak, snow leopard, and etc. Then mangrove trees. Don't tell this that is mango forest, right? So it's not at all. So this is mangrove forest, and it is found in coast influenced by tides. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of the plants submerged underwater. Delta of Ganga and the Mahanadi and the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. Right, then Sundar trees found in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Famous animal are Royal Bengal tiger, so palm, coconut, and these are the sub trees. Then wildlife, so I have already told you 19,000 or its above animal species are found, in which 2000 birds species, and they constitute 30% of the world. There are 2546 species of fish, right? So elephant is the most majestic animal among the mammal, found in hot wet forest of Assam and Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros is live in swampy and marsh land of Assam and West Bengal. Wild as Ran of Kutch, and camel is found in Thar desert. Right. So sheep of the desert is camel. So India is only the country which has both tigers and lions. The natural habitat of the Indian lion is the Gir forest in Gujarat. So note that Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 in India. So other animals are Indian bison, nilgai, hausinga, and gazelle. So these are the points which I have written. So threat to wildlife. This is our, I think, last page, right? Okay. So hence conservation of flora and fauna is essential to conserve the animals and fauna which has already extinct, but we can't conserve or protect them which have already extinct, but those animals or those plants which is in danger, we can conserve them, right? Okay, so about 1300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. So we can conserve these animals, right? So main causes are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes, so that many animals and many plant species are extinct of our, right? So rapidly cutting of the forest for cultivation and habitation, this is also main cause of extinct animals and plants. Pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, it is also. And measures taken by government, so 18 biosphere resources have been set by Indian government to protect flora and fauna. So financial technical resistance has been provided to many botanical gardens since 1992, right? So these are the projects which was introduced. There is Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustards, and many more projects. So 103 animal national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up by the Indian government, right? Okay, so guys, I have completed this chapter. If you really like my notes, then please do hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel and share my channel to all your friends. Till there, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.